Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the media and environment. Update Resolve and GPU drivers so decoding is stable, then copy ProRes RAW. Move files to a fast SSD to avoid dropped frames. Once done, open the media page and import the clips directly. Do not transcode yet. Make sure timestamps and audio tracks are intact while you drag clips into a dedicated bin. This establishes consistent source data, so color and metadata read correctly down the line. You now control how Resolve interprets the raw data. Open camera raw settings on each clip or the project level, choose the correct color space and gamma to match your camera, then pick decode quality, full for final grade, lower for editing. Once set, adjust exposure, ISO, and WB directly in the ProRes RAW controls. These are parametric and non-destructive. Make sure to lock clip-level settings you want preserved, because timeline level overrides can change appearance unexpectedly. You finish by grading with nodes and leveraging ProRes RAW's wide latitude. Push exposure and recovery without banding. Once satisfied, render out a working codec like ProRes 422HQ or DNxHR for clients, and always archive original RAW files separately. If colors shift or noise appears, first reset camera raw parameters, then relink the media to ensure Resolve reads original metadata. As a key troubleshooting tip, if decoding still fails, update Resolve/GPU drivers and toggle decode quality to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.